Hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. Imagine a new real estate business lead is generated and you receive the record of the leads automatically in your Google Sheets. Is this possible? Creating the connection between Facebook leads and Google Sheets can be tough because I think it will require a lot of coding and programming skills. Here is where Pabbly Connect comes in. Pabbly Connect is a software with the help of which between multiple applications you can create connections without need of any technical, coding and programming skills. And this use case also doesn't need any of them. Over here, I'm going to create this amazing setup that you can see on the screen that will automatically keep the record of my real estate leads in Google Sheets. Let me show you how. This is my spreadsheet. Now I will generate my real estate test lead using Meta's lead ads testing tool. I will generate the lead right here. I will enter all the data of my lead over here in the fields. I've entered the details best lead best55 @pabblytudes.com with the phone number and the city as Bhopal. I will generate the lead from here. As soon as a new test Facebook lead is generated, you will see the record of the same lead will be added automatically in my Google Sheets. Best lead best55 @pabblytudes.com, phone number in the city as Bhopal. So as now the record is created successfully, this is how the setup is going to work for your real estate agency as well. Without wasting any time, let's dive into the setup using Pabbly Connect. Open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect. You will come to the landing page. Now if you're a new user, you do not have an account with us, sign up for free from here directly. You will receive 100 free tasks. Using the 100 tasks, you can create the setup that I'm teaching you in this video right away, absolutely for free without paying any cost. You have to sign up for free, you will receive the task, check out the features, and then if you like using Pabbly Connect, you want to purchase our yearly or lifetime plans in order to automate your other business workflows as well, you can use my code that's on the left side of the screen that will help you to get instant and amazing discounts on the purchase. Now I've already logged in and I'm on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. To create a new automation, I will go towards this create workflow option and select the option of create using quick builder. This is a new AI builder with the help of which just by giving a simple prompt, AI is going to generate you your requirement. I want to write that I want to add my real estate leads to Google Sheets automatically. So this is my requirement. I will send it on my Facebook. As soon as a new lead is generated in my Google Sheets, the record should be created. I will approve, create and open this workflow from here. We will receive a template now. If you want this free template as well, from where directly you can create the connections, check out the workflow link in the description section. I'm going to set up my trigger, that is Facebook leads new lead instant. Now over here, go to this connected option and go towards this add new connection section. Click on this connect with Facebook lead ads button. Now this is the account with the help of which I have created my Facebook page, and using that page I am running my Facebook lead ads, so I will continue with this account from here. And you will see automatically the connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is going to be created. Connection building was super easy because I've already logged into my Facebook account on a new tab, so that's why the connection was super easy. Now for the page, I've created my page with the help of which I'm promoting my business in the name of Home Hub Real Estate. That's the name of my business. So I will search for this page and select it. And then it is going to ask us to select the lead gen form with the help of which we are collecting our leads data. I have created one in the name of new lead gen form. I want the simple response and then click on the save and send test request button. It's going to say waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether our Facebook lead ads is connected to Pabbly Connect or not, I will again generate a new Meta's leads test lead. Now first, we have to delete this existing lead from here, for which I will delete the lead. As soon as I will do that, you will find it is going to say your lead has been deleted. After that, refresh this page. As now the page will be refreshed, it is mandatory to delete the lead and refresh the page because you won't be able to generate another lead, okay? I'm going to again select this page right over here as well as the form and click on this preview form button to generate a new lead. Click on this continue button and add in my new leads details right here. First name as demo, last name as user, email as demo@pabblytudes.com. For the phone number, I will enter a dummy phone number. And for the city, I'll write over here as Delhi. After that, I'm going to click on this continue button and on this submit button. The lead will be generated in front of you and the response will also be captured. It usually takes 5 to 10 seconds for the response to arrive in the trigger, so you have to wait. Name is demo user, email is demo@pabblytudes.com. This is the phone number and the city is Delhi. So as now the test lead response has been captured in the similar manner, the real leads data will be captured as well. Okay. Now let's add the details where? In our Google Sheets. For that, simply we're going to set up the action. Click on this connect button. Go towards this add new connection section. Go to sign in with Google button. Select the account with the help of which you have created the spreadsheet from here. And then give the permission because this is a safe process. Okay. As now the permission is given, the action is going to be connected. Select the spreadsheet. This is the spreadsheet. This is my sheet. I will select the details. These are the headers that I've created in my spreadsheet. It is going to appear just like this. For the data of these fields, we are going to map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. Where you want to map the data, add a slash. Search for the data that you want to map. That's the name. So I'll select the data of the first name, space the last name. Now, as I've selected the data from the previous response, the data in this field has been what? Mapped. And as we have mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response will be captured in the previous step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. In the similar manner, I will map the data of the other details right over here, like the email address, phone number, and the city. Now, after selecting and mapping all the details, I'm going to click on this Save and Send Test Request button. As I've done that, I've received this response, and in my Google Sheets, the record of the lead has also been created. As now that's done, the connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets is now created. Now, whenever a real estate lead will be generated through your ad that you're running, automatically you will see the leads record is going to be added in Google Sheets. You will receive every single data at this one place. Your team can collaborate on the single spreadsheet. There will be no errors found as the data is automatically added. No manual efforts is done over here. So this is a very useful automation for all businesses, not just real estate agencies. Any of the business owners, any kind of business can create this automation if you're running Facebook lead ads. Now, if you have any questions or doubts related to this workflow, comment down below. I will reply to you as soon as possible. With that, if you want to purchase a yearly or lifetime plan to create such amazing automations without facing any problems, purchase our plan by using the code on the left side of my screen. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.